Oh my god. Good morning, everybody. Good
Morning, all.
morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I'm currently in. If you guys follow my Instagram, I'm in a long on RTY that I bought overnight. I'm break even on that long. Um, I have my stops sitting at basically Asia lows in case we run to these relative equal highs. I literally bought in Asia and I'm holding this break even running to all these highs above. The only thing that's skeptical to me, I think that NQ and ES go lower today because of this 4 hour SMT that we have between the 2 a.m. and the 6 a.m. 4 hour candle between NQ and ES. We got this built up here. And this just looks like low resistance liquidity with these lows. I see a 15-minute bearish breaker resting here. That I think that price is going to tag and then trade lower. I was debating on taking the short before open. If you guys want to, there's a short potential. You could take a short from this breaker, stop at this SMT high, and then TP at these lows, which is like a 2.13 risk to reward. I sent this to my Discord already as an opportunity, and then like I think I'm gonna take it, but it is before the open. So if you do take this, I would definitely take it at like reduced risk. The only thing that sucks is the fact that there is an SMT at the lows with ES. But I think that price, if we go lower, it's gonna shoot it at the open. But I'm holding this break even at these lows. And yeah, I would like to see though NQ give a short opportunity here. I feel like this is a good risk to reward and a solid uh, a solid play.
It makes sense to me, especially how the opens have been recently. They've been so one-sided.
Yeah, I feel like it's worth the risk.
Yeah. Decent.
There is a 15-minute bearish fair value gap there too. And I'm also in a break even long, so I might as well just like fucking try it. You're not working hard enough. I'm already in a long on RTY. I'm in longs on RTY here, but I'm break even on it. I bought last night. But I'm saying that I think that the NASDAQ could trade lower. What is your guys' obsession with gold, bro?
Yeah, gold is not on the watch list for now.
What's that? fuck is that song? Gold, you should only trade gold during Asia, bro. Gold in New York is dookie.
Yeah, like what I said on your stream yesterday, trading gold in New York is like trading Nasdaq in Asia.
Yeah, it makes no sense. Digital Ferrari. I like the party. Go retarded. NFP's canceled, bro. There ain't no NFP. There ain't no NFP, gang. Creepy.
Yeah, Hunter, that is low probability conditions usually.
But I'm definitely gonna try NASDAQ shorts at a reduced risk since I'm trading the open. If I can get the tag.
We don't get the tag, we'll look for a continuation.
AP to protect it. Some element. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna take it right here.
Order filled.
Ah! God, that was so fucking loud. Why do I have an internal error? Alright, well, I never really take shorts or take trades before the open, but I'm trying it today for you guys. And I'll be very quick with this. Let's say if price is looking to like close off this 15-minute bearish fair value gap right before the open, I'm gonna get out of it.
Yeah, that makes sense to me.
So like I'm in anticipating the open to dump, but if price is like up here and it's right before the open, I'm closing it. But yeah, half risk. I'm still in RTY longs here, but I wanted to try NQ shorts here. But my RTY longs are break even. So I'm anticipating the open to dump, but let's say this 15-minute candle is trading up here before the open, like right before, then I will immediately I will close the trade before we get equities open. I just see the stacked SMT, so I'm going to try it out.
If anyone's in here from the Discord, you can just chat in the trading room as well.
Yeah, chat in the
Easier to
Discord.
see messages. I've got it open on the screen next to me.
Is TradeAway crashed?
Yes, TradeAway's down. I was just popping in here.
Wait, is that why I was getting internal errors?
Yep. TradeAway's down.
Wait, I'm closing this then.
Yeah, close it.
Order filled.
Wait.
Yeah, I just tried to log in on TradeAway and I tried to log in on TradingView. That's why I was a little late here because I was
Wait,
like, what in the
hold
world
on.
is going on?
Shit, it is. Did it? Is it?
Put it on the screen, right on your charts, right TradeAway down. By the way, just so the people don't look at the chat.
Wait, I'm literally in a long position already on RTY that I got in last night, and I. What? Why? Dude, this is the second time this has happened when I'm going YouTube Live. It was down on Monday, now it's down again today? Is this bullshit?
And we got government shutdown as well.
Dog. And now I don't even know if it closed on all of my accounts. Okay, no, it did. Never mind. I'm good. It closed on all of my accounts. Alright, so I'm not in this anymore. I'm not in shorts on NQ anymore, guys. It closed. But what the fuck? I'm still in RTY.
Man, I'm putting Noman in timeout here. I ain't doing this shit, man.
What the old fuck is that?
Yeah, can you put time? Yeah, dude, 100% timeout. I'm not in NQ anymore, guys. I'm not in.
Guys, if you're looking to trade live with us, like Matt has so many videos on exactly what his model is. You should have an understanding of it all.
Dude, now nothing is loading on my thing, and I have an active trade.
Oh, you said they got out?
No, I've been in RTY since last night. Like I bought the hourly IFVG with a sized stop, and I'm targeting the relative equal highs above. But I'm hoping that it will close me if I get break evened.
Yeah, TradeAway is down for sure.
What fucking luck is this shit?
Right.
Well, I'm happy that I closed this because I would have closed it regardless because it's trading through this 15-minute gap. That's so beat. Just because I stream on YouTube on Monday, I stream on YouTube on Wednesday, and both days TradeAway's down. Am I like a curse? The second that you say something, I try and switch accounts and switch charts, and it just nothing is displaying now.
Type on the charts, put like TradeAway down, just so people don't read the chat.
Oh yeah, I'll type. Pin. Well, that's just fantastic, isn't it?
Yeah, I'll keep y'all updated, but yeah, it is down. That's why I popped in here. I was gonna be like, okay, am I the only one here?
I closed NQ because TradeAway's down. I should have stopped immediately because when I entered short, that said internal error. It literally said internal error, but I closed this. And on top of that, I would have closed it anyway because it's gonna inverse this 15-minute gap.
Yeah, I'm on every platform Discord right now. It says it all. Yeah.
I can't even partial out of this even if I wanted to on RTY. Oh, well, there goes NQ. Like, what kind of luck is this shit, dude? Like, what kind of luck is this, bro?
Matt, I'm guessing you're looking for previous weekly low now or
Bro,
January
I
low.
was short on NQ and I closed it. Like, there's no candles moving on my screen. My trade evade's black. Like, I was literally short right here. My stop was here. And my TP was here. Kieran, is yours good?
I'm still at mine.
This is a
I'll
scam.
see about orders getting filled.
Like, you literally can't make this shit up, bro. You can't make this up.
That's kind of crazy, not gonna lie.
And RTY is fucking off.
Oh, Jack, that's so unlucky, bro.
Dog, that is so bogus.
What happened to Jack? Oh.
He closed his position.
Oh. I mean,
He's done.
he did the right thing. I mean, imagine if it goes
Yeah.
the other way and you're stuck. You know what I mean? Like, he can't.
Yeah, exactly.
This is just such shit luck. Like, that's just so bad. Like, such a shit luck, dude.
I mean, Matt, are you bearish to previous month low now?
Dude, I'm the only way to look for price today is previous daily low, the Monday low, and then Wednesday the 21st low.
January low, yeah.
That's like the only way to see price today.
I think the overall draw for the day will be that 4 hour low, 25.25.
Yeah, no, dude, my position's still moving on RTY long that I held from overnight. That I'm like I'm looking above at my screen at my trade evade, and there's no candles. But it's probably gonna get stopped break even. I'm not gonna lie, and it's you know what sucks is that YM is pumping. YM is pumping and RTY is dumping.
It's kind of a weird week. Like, if you look at the 1 hour and the 4 hour, like, even if you try to like buy 1 hour retracement longs, you get stopped out. You try to short. Like, no real side is like picking is winning. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Well, if you actually you wouldn't even have wanted to yet.
I'm hoping it's Tuesday high of week though, and we can like continue lower. But ES has plenty of room to the downside. We have 68.86. We have 68.64. Like the 4 hour on ES has yet to expand lower. Now I think, yeah, there's SMT at the 4 hour highs, by the way.
Yeah.
Inside of a 4 hour gap. Yeah.
I'm literally tweeting this. This is horse shit. I'm gonna get stop break even on this, and then the Dow Jones is gonna go to my high. Holy shit, NASDAQ. If you're short on NQ still, put yourself at break even, bro. Yo. Dude, I can't even manage this. Well, this is actually pumping now, which is good. My God. This is literally the battle of the brokers.
Yeah, literally.
Battle of the fucking brokers, bro. Can I, like... Come on.
Yeah, let's play some golf.
Some golf?
Yeah. Let's play some golf. What's it called? What's it called? Crazy Games. Or we can play, what's it called? We pick the place.
Oh.
Oh, Gio gets it.
I mean, what are we gonna do? I mean, no one can enter a spring
Yeah.
trade. That's what I mean.
This
We're just
fucking
dicking
blow.
around here.
Wait. Is anybody's Tradeovate running smoothly? Nope. Okay, I already see something saying, why can't I log in Tradeovate? I went just ahead, bought Dow here. Oh, so you got Dow option. Okay, you bought Dow options now. Yeah, I mean YM should run those highs. That's so gay that that RTY is gonna flip here on me. That's so beat. Internal server error. I'm hoping that my break even gets hit if it trades lower and it doesn't like completely ruin my account.
Lucid just put out and said another global. We are aware of another issues off on the team. In the meantime, do not remove from Dash or reset any accounts that negatively impact. This will disrupt our ability to make adjustments to them when we push a fix. It's so funny, like when they put out these massive announcements or whatever, and the emojis that people use. Like the most used emoji on Lucid's thing right now is the Israeli flag.
Why is this happening on only Monday and Wednesday?
Yeah, what's actually going on? Like, Tradeovate's never had any issues whatsoever.
Yeah, Tradeovate rarely has issues. That's the thing.
I've never seen this. This has never happened.
It's all good. I mean, it looks like we're pumping up anyways. I'm playing a little game of cozy golf right now on Crazy Games.
Well, I would have crashed out if I was in the thank you shorts.
Exactly. You see what I mean? Like, it's best that you didn't take it.
Holy shit.
How about this? Guys, drop your questions in the chat. Drop your questions in the chat. We'll go over it.
Yeah, I mean, I guess, yeah, if you guys have questions,
They don't point to talk about the market.
drop them in chat. We could do like a little class today. Motherfucker. Yeah, my stop loss. See, I'm worried, bro. Like, I'm looking at my screen, and I'm at break even on the position, but like I'm hoping that it'll actually register and take me out break even, and I'll be, and like, let's say if it goes deeper, and it'll let me close it, and I don't get completely fucked. That's what I'm scared about.
The second most used emoji is the I'm not even gonna say it. Oh my
Is
god.
it an eggplant?
No, it's the it's just like the Jewish symbol.
Oh. RTY was simply just me framing longs because, all right, so here, ready? This is the breakdown on RTY. So, weekly time frame. This is also, if you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, I posted this aggressively, like across my platforms. Weekly time frame, weekly bullish fair value gap with an SMT divergence. Higher low on RTY with a lower low set in on the Dow Jones. All-time highs target on YM, and just simply targeting previous weekly high on RTY. Go to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we have a drop down from yesterday into the new week opening gap, aligned with the 4-hour bullish fair value gap as well. Now, I'm looking and just simply targeting the relative equal highs here, relative equal highs here, and then I go to the hourly time frame, the hourly chart at the yesterday's close, inversed all these bearish fair value gaps resting here. So all I simply did was buy the IFVG at Asia, and then I'm holding it until the higher targets. That's literally it. That's as simple as it could be.
You'll get your account probably on Friday or something.
Are we even gonna have news? Wait, is it 9:45 news or is it 10 o'clock news?
Today, we have 10 o'clock news.
Yeah, it's not 9:45. Intraday swing. Just predicting the daily candle formation.
Bro, I don't know how I've not been taken out of this trade yet. I set my TP to like 1 hour in profit. It's trading stop loss at a 9:30 high, and now it's just like hedging that.
Yeah, this is absolutely, that's disgusting. On NQ. There was higher time frame SMT. And it was as simple as me just understanding that there was no bearish PD arrays that could go against me that would turn me away from price driving higher to the relative equals. Just sucks that the Dow Jones ended up being the one that flips.
370 people watching. Let's get some likes in here. 370. Like what are we doing? It's only 50 likes.
Oh, yeah, guys, if you want to be a part of the giveaway today, you have to like the stream. You have to like and share the streams. And then at the end of the stream, we'll do the giveaway together.
Yeah, trade won't let me move my order or anything. So what happens if my trade hits TP? No.
Dude, I don't know. That's me. That's like me asking what happens if I get break even. Am I gonna get break even or am I gonna get fucked? I'm gonna give away Apex accounts. They're still running their 90% off sale.
If it goes to break even, maybe just try and manually closing it and see if that works.
I literally have it open and I'm watching.
Yeah.
I'm hoping. It is stressing me out. Trade evade is down. I can't lose my $20. I want. When you answer the questions, please read it first for us. What? What will I look on an NQ if it takes that relevant low? I think that NQ takes. I think NQ is just bearish overall. I think NQ clears this out, clears these lows out, and I go to the daily time frame, and I think that the daily is going to seek all these. I think that the Dow Jones, I think once the Dow Jones takes out previous daily high, that's when everything's going to turn. When YM runs previous daily high at 49,768.
Yeah. That makes sense.
You passed your eval, but the offer's ending soon? What, Apex 90% off? Hey, break even's better than a loss, brother. Look at ES, dude. I can't believe that NQ didn't clear out this low. That's wild to me.
Yeah, right.
Bro, I have been showing you guys my chart colors like way too many times. Holy shit, look at the Dow. The Dow just fucking busted. God, I can't do anything, bro. I can't do anything. I see the 4 hour. There's SMT in the 15-minute gap. Maybe if gold inverses this 15-minute bearish gap here. Trades through it. I'll paper trade it, I guess. I'll take it on paper.
Let's go, Jack. Payout approved.
Who
Told
said
you
that?
to get approved, bro. Jack got his Apex payout approved.
Fire.
Alright, bro. Shout out, Jack.
Let's go.
Let's go, Jack.
That's huge.
Jack's in the he's in your live too, right?
I believe so.
I think I'll leave
He
it there.
posted it in the Discord.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me just say this about Jack. Like, I love Jack to death. And let me just say this: if he can do it, you guys can do it. I'm telling y'all. I worked with Jack exclusively. Like, it, you know, I think he will tell you that. Love you, Jack. I told you it was gonna get approved, bro. Apex never pays out. Yeah, I knew you were here. Okay, good. Yeah, both my personal account and Ninja. Yeah, I'm getting all these emails saying it's down, so.
If Jeffrey can do it, then you can do it. We don't know if Jeffrey did it yet.
We don't know.
Jeffrey did something that wasn't done.
Jeffrey might be at Walmart.
Damn, bro.
Working.
What? He's probably robbing it. Not even working there.
If you logged in on NQ, how you manage it being that week? I probably would have been break even on this. I'm not gonna lie. After price ran ran this low away from my TP or close to my TP, I would have been break even by now.
Bro, look at my trade. It's like fucking. It's edged my stop loss like 3 times. Trading.
Yeah, I mean, look at the S&P 500. The S&P 500 swept out this high, and now we're finally getting a drop, dude. Now we're back to like government shutdown conditions.
Yeah.
Like it's just so beat.
How close my stop loss was to be taken out.
Dude, look at the 5 minute. Like holy shit.
Well, the government's back open, Matt.
It is. Then what the fuck is happening?
It's just the NFP got delayed. Like since they took it off earlier this week, they can't bring it back on until like a little bit later.
Look at the 1 minute. I know people are getting torched here. I'm gonna get stopped break even on RTY. Now I'm gonna see if it actually closes me. I'm scared. If I see red at all, I'm gonna spam this exit.
I just took a screenshot of my orders, so.
Damn, bro.
I'm doing the same thing too.
Stop filled.
Alright, okay. Did it take me out? It took me out. Took me out. Alright. Well, at least I know that works.
Did you have to close manually or did it hit you?
Nope, I actually had my limits at break even stop still. So I'm good. It just said that I lost $3. So I'm checking my accounts actually. Alright, cool. Yeah. Alright, everything looks good. Alright, okay. Woo! Alright. I'm happy now. Bro, someone goes mad is on Epstein. What the fuck?
Nah, bro.
What the fuck? Alright, well, if you're still in NASDAQ shorts, it should clear out these lows now. Now let me try and refresh my trade of 8 to see if anything happens.
I'll tell you, you need to stop jinxing the market. See that? I'll tell you
Jack.
say something.
Jack, how long did they take you to from request to approval?
Bro,
Was it
I was invited, but I never went. I think people are just mad that they weren't invited.
I'm an idiot, man.
Like, nah, bro, I'm cool. Trade of 8 is back working for me. Is it working for you guys? I see candles moving.
I meant chart looks like crap.
Yeah, this looks so bad. I'm gonna take this away. You guys are all good now? It's back.
Let me check. No, mine says looks like there's a technical issue with Trade of 8.
No trade of
Mine's
8
still
yet.
down.
Okay, then I'm not doing it. Fuck.
So Matt, if you go to, if you click trade up there at the top on your chart, it'll tell you. At the top right, it says like trade, publish. Might by the X sign. And if you just click trade of 8, it should tell you. Like it'll just give you an error message if it's down.
Okay, never mind. You're right. Shit. What? Why?
Yeah. I don't know if yours shows that, but
Yep. Well, still not back. Never mind. Take it back. Candles are gone again. Wow. Did anybody take the NASDAQ shorts on Project X that were able to stay in?
VM says it's working now.
Because we're about to run our low. Because I only because that's my consistent risk to reward. I always look for 1 to 2 risk to reward. You could do whatever you want. Risk to reward is personal.
yeah, I exited out of trading view and I came back in and clicked trade of 8 and it still says it's down.
Yeah, I know my
There's also
candles
a website.
disappeared.
Yeah.
My candles are all gone now. I hate the question of win rate because my win rate will not compare to yours, but mine is in the low 60s. It's like 62.
Yeah,
It's like
the ego trade,
62.7.
the bit under the circle, that's all premium.
Yeah.
So this trading room is the main chat we use.
All right. Well, if you were in Nasdaq shorts, there's your full TP. If you're still in it and still looking for if you're still looking for lower prices, you could take profit at this low here. 180, and then below that, 25.25. But this was the trade idea that we all had in the morning before we found out Trade of 8 was down. And we would have been out right there. That was the trade idea. Hey, could be leaving these highs for a future day. I would have anticipated at least previous daily high to get ran on the Dow Jones to create like a daily bearish SMT with RTY or a daily bearish SMT with NQ and ES and then boom short. But we do have news in 15 seconds.
But I can move my position now. My limits. I couldn't do that like 10 minutes ago.
I still have no candles on my Trade of 8. So the fact that you can remove limits and shit, that's good.
Yeah, no facts.
Matt, are you speculator? What does that even mean?
Means you're a speculator, you're not a trader, Matt.
Like
You can't
what?
trade, bro.
Can I ban this kid?
You can do anything you want, bro. It's your stream, bro.
I put him in timeout.
Yeah.
Go sit in the corner and look at the wall.
Kick rocks. Mm.
Cookie, did you take that on Project X?
Oh, I'm back up. Mine's back up. Mine's
What?
back up. Click trade, Matt, on yours at the top right on the Trader V screen where it says publish. And then just click Tradeovate and it should be able to.
Well, I'm not logging in on TradingView. That's the thing.
You don't have to. It just shows you a status update.
I'm logging in right here while I'm on live. Hold on, let me exit out of this and let me load into this, and then boom, here, bang. Start simulation. Well, it's nice that we have it back working when the draw's already hit. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, right.
It's still not
I
working.
mean, 15 minute gap.
Oh, wait,
Yeah.
it's working for me. It's back.
Yeah.
It's so beat. I'm literally looking at me executing, entering short, and then closing right after I have the error message, and then seeing how it hits full TP.
Yeah, the only thing we can watch was 15 minute gap, huh? Two previous month low.
Fucking ridiculous, bro. It's actually
It's
so
4 hours flat.
criminal. Now I gotta adjust. That's actually so beat. In my opinion, the only thing that I would like to do is trade ES catch up from a 15-minute gap,
Yeah, that's the only thing I'm looking at too.
taking out the lows that we already ran on NQ.
I'm looking for 25.025, which is that previous month low on January 21st on ES on NQ, and then on ES I'm looking for obviously previous day low on ES. So I think as long as we get 15-minute pullback and there's a gap in here in 12 minutes, we can look to frame shorts. I don't think I can go long down here. Can you?
No, we're not going long. Fuck that.
Yeah. Well, you know how some people like to play the whole previous day low bounce.
No.
Yeah, we'll be dropping like 500 points all day. We get a 1 minute inverse and everyone's long. That doesn't make any sense.
It's idiots. That sucks so much. That happened. So beat, man. Yeah, YM should have ran previous daily highs, right? Tradeovate does need to be held accountable for this bullshit. So annoying. Costed me fucking 10K. I wouldn't trust a 5-minute fair value gap short just yet. I would want to see a 15-minute bearish fair value gap form from the S&P 500 and then look to frame a short from here. here, 1 minute sell model from that 15-minute gap. Boom, boom. With an SMT. Because your stop loss placement wouldn't make any sense. That's why I don't trust just shorting a 5-minute gap. The logistics behind a stop loss placement means a lot more to me. Why would you short YM? It's the strongest pair. I like ES 15-minute from this gap. That's aligned with the breaker. Kieran, you had your stop at that resting high?
Bro, I have no idea how it was taken out.
Holy shit.
That was not skill. That was 110% luck.
That's wild. Alright, well, we have 6 minutes and whatever till this candle closes, so we're going to have to wait and see what happens here.
Yeah, everyone should be back up.
Trade evade is back, yes. I'm an 18-year-old hustling designer. If I make 10x better thumbnail for your live streams, will you consider it? You can DM me your portfolio, mister. This is a pretty aggressive pop here.
It is, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Like, really aggressive. Same, even like look at RTY too.
Yeah.
With all these failure swings above. Like, low key.
Look at ES 1 hour chart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's something we got.
I might do the longs again on RTY. Only because of all the failure swings above. and YM has those relative equal highs on the daily.
I still think 25, 0.25 is like where we're going.
Just no 15-minute gap. YM is the stronger pair. What would be the risk to reward on the Dow? Has to make sense. I feel like I would have to go YM because it's stronger, right? But that's if you even get an entry.
Yeah. I mean, RTY has to clean a like mechanical entry on that M5.
Yeah. If I did RTY and I did this IFEG here on the 5, and I did like a stop, like, it's the weaker asset, which is not good.
Yeah.
And like, look at what you're trading into on RTY compared to what you're trading into on YM. I feel like YM is the better pair. It's just the stop loss placement is not good. I'm kind of just putting myself at a random point. We did just tap into a 5-minute bearish breaker on ES. Is there like a 3-minute swing though? I'm pretty conflicted if you ask me. I'm not gonna lie. I like the relative equal highs on YM here. That's my only thing.
Middle of his trade was picking up a glass and it shattered on me. Had to go to the emergency room for stitches. Couldn't manage it. Hit my
What?
target for trading it wasn't working. Luckily it worked. Once the trade hit the actual target. Well, I mean, sorry you had to go get stitches, but GG's for having a banging trade. Fuck.
Well, you just inverse this 5-minute gap on YM here. So if it's gonna send it, it's gonna send it right here to these highs, like how I have labeled. Just your stop loss placement is kind of fucked. You're kind of just trusting some random point in position here. But I do like this right here. I don't really know why I have ads because can't even be monetized because I'm playing music. I was playing music in the background. But if you're gonna take YM longs, this is the only thing that makes sense to me. And then you go break even at this high.
NQ is currently stuck between two magnets.
Genuinely not a fan. I think NQ reached its daily objective today, and I really want to see YM go to the previous daily high.
Yeah. Completing that hourly market make a buy model would make sense.
Mm-hmm. Still didn't get that closure on RTY here. Nick, what do you think?
I'm looking for a 5-minute us to reject from this 5-minute fair value gap. I'm going to look to maybe take a 1-minute inverse short if we get very, very good displacement. If not, probably just gonna wait. I was hoping we'd leave a 15-minute gap behind, but we didn't.
Yeah, that's the only thing that sucks. That was my stipulation. No, I'm not in. I would have had something shown here. You would have seen moving numbers here. You would see moving numbers right here. There is a 15-minute, I mean, there's an SMT at the 15-minute candle highs between 10 and 10:15. Looking at the 1 minute, it's not looking good. What I would do though, let's say like if this there's a 5-minute gap tag on RTY here. If the SMT holds between like RTY and YM like this at this 5-minute SMT, I could place my stop if I go long on RTY right here. I could literally place my stop here at that 5-minute SMT and look for a lower risk to reward like this. If we inverse right here. You guys see what I'm talking about.
So we have a fair value gap that we're rejecting from on ES, and we have an IFEG on the 5 minute to the downside. If we can reject from there and go lower, I'll take a short, but it's kind of bouncing in between two areas, like Kieran said.
If you see this on
That was a good 5-minute candle closure on YM. If you're in YM longs, this is looking good. Go break even if you're in Dow Jones at this high. And honestly, if you're in YM, you could even drag your stop to the 5-minute SMT low. YM gave the tag. Do you have a limit somewhere, I'm assuming? Yeah, if you're in YM from this M5 IFEG, your stop should be adjusted to here. Break even here. And then TP here or beyond that. Yeah, dude, Elijah, that fucking that trade of a bug costed me too, dude. Unfortunate bullshit. Pretty dumb, if you ask me. There's another 15-minute SMT between NQ and ES here at the highs. All right, this is looking pretty good on here. Yeah. All right, so you should be break even on YM there. Do I believe wicks are like gaps like ICT said? I don't know. No. If RTY inverses this gap, I will long. Come on, bugger. Little bug. I'm being completely honest with you, I wasn't quick enough on the Dow. And I didn't like the stop placement. I just placed my stop at a random point, but then watching more closely on RTY, see how I would have my stop at like a SMT low after I find a swing point. That's what I want. I want that.
Yeah,
That makes me feel better.
You know what? I hate that this makes sense. Is ES longs. Like
Yeah.
Is
I hate that. I hate that it makes sense. You know what I mean?
oh, it
Like
is. Yeah, it's going. It's going. That actually does look really good. I like that 5 minute. Where would you get in the breaker?
I don't. The thing is, that's already kind of like where I'm anticipating price to go to is like 69, 65. So I mean, you're not really.
Your targets are a little fucked.
Yeah, like
Risk to reward is also a pretty decent issue. RTY is really so weak right now.
I think I'm just better off leaning towards 25-0-25 on NQ. Like better off to just play a trade down to there at least until because what looks like we're about to get an hourly gap, right? It in the next hour. The only way I probably take longs is if we close or if we even get to 25-344, which is it'll basically mean that we don't have an hourly gap to the downside. So
Yeah, I would probably say if
I'm like 70-30 bearish.
if the S&P 500 closes above like the 945 15-minute candle.
Yeah.
And then like targeting wise, I would have to target the 4-hour bearish gap above.
I'll show you a text, Matt.
Let me see. Oh.
Crazy. I wish we would have got this move out of ES yesterday. You know what I mean? I still think we go lower, but doesn't. Definitely a little conflicted here. Kind of a weird session too. Straight away down, then you start to get a move, and then it's like, psych.
YM should clear those highs.
Yeah. I don't even deserve to be in this trade right now.
What?
Like, it literally just like completely edged my trailing trading stop loss. Like I'm gonna screenshot because I literally like I should be able to trade before they take me out, but literally I don't even know how I didn't get filled.
YM should push it here. Didn't get the closure on the 15-minute from the S&P 500, but YM should take this out.
I like this M1 break when it NQ to the downside if we get it.
Yeah, RTY taking this away because this thing is not giving it. Did we trade into anything? This is extremely messy. Like, look at these. Like, we'll have like these aggressive drops, but then these times between. Even the 1 minute chart is just like barcode move, barcode move.
Literally.
It's like we die. It's like I don't even know. His range is not what I thought. YM came down, tagged this 5 minute gap. I'm thinking taking shorts on the 1 hour fair value gap if it's F1. What are you talking about? EU and GU? Looking for this draw. Draw's pretty fucking clean if you ask me. Draw's clean. This is just booty, right here. But draw's fire. Damn, RTY fell off a cliff, dog. Failing to inverse that gap. Just melted off of it.
Gold's now, so if I care about.
Oh yeah, gold. I wanted that 15-minute inverse.
It looks like we're going lower here.
So there is. Yo, that's a 5. That's not a bad 5 minute on ES. Right here.
Yeah. I'm gonna take a short.
I'm gonna take a short too if I get this right here.
You go in the 5 minute breaker.
I was gonna take the order block, but you could take the breaker too.
Yeah.
You got the short right now. Or you wait for the order. Or you wait for the order block.
I'm
Guys.
going right now. I just gotta fucking type my orders in. I
have
haven't.
no idea. I have no idea how I didn't get taken out of that. My trading stop has been absolutely blessed twice.
You could be in right here, guys, if you want. Nick's already short, guys. At that breaker right here.
I'm targeting down at 024.
Yeah, Nick's short right now from the breaker tag on the 5 minute. Where'd your stop?
I'm gonna do 237.
I'm gonna put both side by side. You said two. Wait. Wait. You're short on
237.
NQ. Oh fuck.
Yes.
Okay, then we mark that off. That's easier for me. Fucking fly. You said 237.
Yeah.
And then what do you TP?
021. That previous month low from January 21st.
25.
Yeah, 25, 24, whatever it is. I think it's it's 25.
All right. Dow Jones would have been break even, guys. Okay, I'm putting in limits at that order block. If price takes me out, if price runs this low, I'm canceling my limits on ES. But I want the OB.
Yeah, I was watching ES, but the problem is I wanted to inverse that gap, and NQ gave what I wanted before.
Yeah,
ES
no,
did.
it's fine. I mean, honestly, it'll probably run from the breaker. They both gave a kiss tag. Nick is already short from the breaker on NQ, guys. You could have gotten short on the breaker on ES or NQ, like literally either of them.
I think a good spot once we run that low from 10 a.m. I think that's a good spot to reduce some risk. I don't see why you wouldn't do that.
Yeah, agreed.
All right. Dun, 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 dun. What just happened?
Order filled.
All right, well, I'm in. What just happened? Some news come out? That was pretty fast. Something happened. Wait, what's going on? Something just happened.
Holy shit! What the hell was that?
Something just got released on X. Okay, wow. Trump completed an X. Trump
Oh my God,
discussed trade, military. What? I'm getting my X notification. Great. So Trump discussed trade, military, April trip that we'll be making to China. Well, that is exactly what just happened. So something Trump. I mean, I'm still in.
Yeah, I'm still in. Yeah, but
Holy shit.
that's kind of crazy. Though, not gonna lie.
I'm gonna get stopped. Well, that sucks.
Can Trump just piss off?
Trump discussed consideration by China of purchase of more agricultural. Dude, like why? Like why is this bull? I was about to say something. consideration of purchase of more agricultural products, including lifting soybean count to 20. That means nothing. Like what? So my trade of eight goes down when I'm trying to take Nasdaq shorts, and then I take a short on the S&P 500, and Trump starts talking about China.
Yeah, I'm out.
I'm about to get stopped too.
My trading stop's about to be taken out. Be very surprised if it doesn't.
Well, yeah, he just said he completed a phone call with President Xi. Oh my god.
He has a phone call with this fucking guy. Like, why can't he be like Sleepy Joe and like not like do anything from the times of 9:30 to 4 o'clock? Well, entertain the crowd. I'm gonna go make sourdough bread and be right back. I'll hear my stop get triggered if it does.
They take me back to the Biden market. Bro, that was crazy. I missed the Biden market a little bit.
Yeah, they shouldn't have to worry about Twitter.
Yeah, it's. Oh wow, you're still in? Yeah. I mean, I think an invalidation would be above the 10 a.m. high, like 306 or something. Um, I don't know. There's something about that previous week low that sits out to me at 25,025. What I think about gold, it's bouncing between two areas right now. We have a bullish gap on the daily and a bearish gap. So I mean, I'd like to see one of them get inversed, and then we can trade higher or lower. I think that's where you're gonna find like higher probability conditions too. I think NQ is eventually gonna move to take out those relative equal lows on the 5 minute. Oh yeah. No, it's gonna die. Watch. Gold is inverse in the 4 hour gap. Yeah, it looks like it's about to close below it. Uh, the 1 hour is about the inverse too.
We're back in 2 sets.
I don't know. Mm. An ES. ES breaker. Yeah, it's kind of invalidated. I mean, the NQ1 is still sort of working depending on where you had your stop, but it kind of looks a little choppy, right? Ever since I moved down at 9:55, it hasn't really done much. Um, I do think before noon we're going to deliver to 25.025 though. Like that's just something I'm watching. Like now that the Trump tweet is over, I fully expect us to deliver. Well, he sent out a tweet about China and visiting China, and the market kind of pumped up real quick. Like if you go back and look at it, like at 10:38 he sent that tweet, but that's what kind of screwed our short. But I still think we deliver lower, like at 25.025. Like that's kind of where I'm looking at.
Yeah, that was my draw for the day.
Yeah, it was definitely unfortunate. If you're still in it, I would probably go break even or take some partials at the 10 a.m. low if it gets hit. Uh, like I said, I still think price wants that 25.025, that daily level from January 21st is what I think it wants. The later we go on in terms of time, and it's 10:50, like the less likely I am to.
How the hell am I still in this? How? What is going on? But this is definitely going to be short-lived. Anyways, I want to do figure out giveaways for people in chat. So what we're gonna do for the giveaway, and for the winners, I'm gonna DM you on Instagram. But I'm going to need Instagram handle tags. So like you guys need to drop your Instagrams, and I'm going to close my eyes, and I'm gonna pick. Or actually, fuck it. No, I'll have Nick pick one, and Kieran will pick one. any like just random person in the chat that drops their Instagram handle, and I will give you a free Apex account. So we'll give away 2. So anybody in chat, drop your tags now. And then Nick and Kieran will pick one each in the next 2 minutes or so. This is a 1 to 2. Nick, Kieran, you guys good with that?
Yeah, we'll go with that.
That's cool.
All right, cool.
I'm gonna scroll on the screen, take a picture of ChatGPT and get ChatGPT to pick one because I'm biased.
Word.
Apex doesn't pay, so it doesn't matter if I win. My mentorship student just got paid out like not even 10 minutes ago.
You guys are literally idiots if you think that Apex doesn't pay. You're just really bad at following simple rules.
Yeah, Apex paid me. Apex paid Matt.
You guys can pick it whenever you want.
Yeah. I'll do Ricky underscore Da Costa.
Wait, take a picture of it and send it to me, or text it to me.
Yeah, I'm at
So Ricky underscore.
Scrolling.
Jesus Christ, bro! What the fuck is Price doing right now? This is AIDS. So yeah, send me that one, Nick, and then Kieran, you do the same.
yeah.
ChatGPT's just picking. I got Adrian underscore GG. I'll send it to you now, Matt.
All right. Okay.
Not Adrian, it was Andrian.
All right. So ANDRI. Just text me the account so that I can search it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
send
I'll
it to
send
you
it
now.
to you.
All right. Cool. Nick, yours is
Yeah, I'll send it to you.
Ricky. Okay, Ricky underscore Ricky underscore. Okay, I got DaCosta. All right, I'm assuming Ricky, that's you, right there. Let's go here. I'm gonna send you code. Also, guys, after this live stream, I'm going to be live on YouTube on Blue Guardian Futures TV, so I'll be doing another giveaway there too. All right, there they are. Bank. Okay. All right. Bang. All right, Ricky, I just sent you yours. You just got your code, and then Kieran's person is Andrian underscore GG. Andrian underscore GG. All right, I got you, bro. Here. and I'm sending you yours now. Bang, bang. All right. So accounts gave you guys to both of you winners. Nick's gonna also be live tomorrow on his YouTube channel, so he'll be doing giveaways as well. I'm still in this S&P 500 short. I'll be watching it on Blue Guardians Futures TV if you guys want to pop in for that. But we'll see how it goes. I have my stop loss set, my take profit level set, and we'll see what happens. So thank you guys for being a part of the stream. If you did catch the NASDAQ shorts this morning, GG's. I'm happy you were able to catch that. Sucks that trade of 8 was down, but maybe we'll get our opportunity, and the S&P 500 will give us what we need. But we'll just have to wait and
Also,
see what
guys,
happens.
Apex 90% off sale ends tomorrow, so use code SNIPER at checkout.
Oh, yeah. The 90% off sale does end tomorrow. So, yeah. But anyways, take care, y'all. Be safe. Have a great rest of your day. And good luck with trading.